Adorned with an astounding blend of Dravidian architecture, we now offer our reverence to Paravangadi Mahaganapati, located at Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. This temple, once the spiritual stronghold of Travancore army, holds deep historical and devotional significance. The temple's unique idol of Ganesha in a seated posture with his right leg folded and the left resting on the ground symbolizes stability, wisdom, and divine grace. With rhythmic precision of this item in Ragamaliga Ragam and Aditalam, it is followed with a Dhyana sloga and a Mahalakshmi sloga. Beginning with Mushika Vahana, we pay homage to Ganapati and seek his blessings for a smooth journey ahead. This item is performed by Ashvi Gupta, Ashmita Senthil, Ashtapati Santosh, Avni Linesh, Avantika Bijoy, Samipta Gupta, Sia Petnekar, Shushmita Senthil, Tarunya Reghuraj, and Vani Rajput.
Tam, tanaka dinna tata, tanaka jam 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 tam, tarikita jam, takka jam, tarikita jam, tam, tarikita jam, takka jam, tarikita jam. Tam, tarikita jam, takka jam, tarikita jam. Tam, tarikita jam, takka jam, tarikita jam. Tam, tarikita takka jam, taddinginnatom tam, tam. Tarikita takka jam, taddinginnatom, taddinginnatom tang, tam. Tarikita takka jam, taddinginnatom, taddinginnatom, taddinginnatom.
Mushika Vahana Modaka Hasta Mushika Vahana Modaka Hasta Chamara Karna Vilambita Sutra Vamana Rupa Maheswara Putra Vigna Vinayaka Pada Namaste Mushika Vahana Modaka Hasta Chamara Karna Vilambita Sutra Vamana Rupa Maheswara Putra Vigna Vinayaka Pada Namaste. आङ्गेकं भुवनं यस्य वाचिकं सर्ववाङ्मयम्